Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? How is your morning so far, guys? Hello, guys. Good morning. Right now it's going to be loud. Prepare for this. Is it loud? Yeah, guys, I'm about to hit 100k subscribers. I'm surprised, guys, but finally, 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 it's louder. Yeah. I was trying to prepare you guys. Okay, since it's December, guys, it's December of snowflakes or Christmas hat, Santa hat. But for 100k subscribers, guys, we must do something huge, right? One second. Did not trade gold today yet. We might trade together. Hello, guys. My ninja is off still, so 1 second. I'm going to show you what I created as well. Like for yours, like for everyone. 1 second. Let me log into my ninja trader. Hello. What's the benefit? I mean, you making less stupid mistakes. That's pretty much it. Steam yesterday was absolutely amazing. I enjoyed it so much. Fundingtix, Lucid, Tradify, TPT, connecting all accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Who's going to be leader account? I guess. Yeah. Hello, guys. Yeah, see? I mean, definitely you can try. Like, nothing wrong with this. It's nice. First, maybe you're going to be a bit scary, like what people will think about you, but like, you don't need to care about this. Like, once again, you're doing this for yourself. Okay. Micro gold. Okay, guys. I was trying to short during Asia ES. Somewhere like somewhere from here. My TP was previous week low level. Probably it will hit my break even. Because I was trading one mini contract. My risk was 9 points. So I could afford to trade one mini contract. And it was like 15 points away and about to hit break even. That's painful, right? I was up 60 points on ES. I was sleeping, so I didn't see this, but now, if you're trying to trade with Lucid prop firms, they have only one-time fee. So you don't need to pay for the second month, third month, and so on. Gold, yeah, let's take a look at gold. But I'm just trying to tell you guys, I'm still sitting short since yesterday, 6 p.m., like 6:10 or so. My TP was previous week low level. Right now, probably it will hit break even, which is perfectly fine, but still painful to see you like up more than 60 points and it's about to hit break even. But once again, I was sleeping. It was impossible to manage the trade. My bias, it's really hard to say. Because when I go on daily chart, it's really BS price action. Yeah. Like absolutely nothing. It's personal account, so nothing wrong with this. I don't trade props during the night. I always scared to break some rules. I never trade prop. I mean, I do trade sometimes, but not always. So far I highlighted hourly inversion for a value gap. We're trading, we're trading above New York midnight open. Logically, I would try to short to New York midnight open. So maybe I will do this. Try to short to New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. And then we will see. Maybe my TP on my current short will hit. Maybe break-even will hit. Who knows? Let's talk about gold. Once again, it's really hard to say. We did trace to fair value gap, right? Price keep closing inside this fair value gap. What else? It seems like absolutely ugly market maker buy model. But Asia high, Friday high looks so good to be taken. Do you see setup for longs? I don't. Pretty ugly overnight session. Probably I'm not going to miss anything. For now, I see nothing that I would like to trade. Oh, don't be angry. It's okay. Like, it's still too early. We may look for a silver bullet trade. Let's check SPX. So on SPX, I highlighted couple. Wait a minute. Where's my level? Oh, over here. Okay. I highlighted a couple of levels on my chart for SPX. So we're definitely approaching all-time high. And what I would like to see, maybe it's going to open at this buy area. This means if SPX, probably it will happen, but still, it's going to open at our buy area. It's buy sentiment on 1 hour chart using volume profile. And will fail to break this area, we will go up during AM session. But what if we are going to open, break below this level, retest OT of RTH gap, and short all the way down to New York midnight open on ES, and this OT. So basically from this low to this high, here's our OT. At this point, really, everything will be perfect for short to a New York midnight open. What is my bias on NQ and ES? Really hard to say, I'm not going to lie. Okay, why are you staying away from my funded futures? Nothing wrong with this prop firm, it's just personal. But still, once again, anyway, like if I want to talk about my funded futures, there are better prop firms, like overall, in terms of rules, profit split, and everything else. But if you trade with them, like nothing wrong with them, like I think like good prop firm overall. But there are better prop firms, in my humble opinion. Best recommendation depends. Like, what are you looking for? You're looking for cheap evaluation? I'm going to share something with you right now. Let's talk about this since we're waiting for market open. Sorry, guys, a little bit of advertisement, but I'm so sorry about this, but I want to share something. I will show you my website real quick. Let me move. Like this. So here's my website, and if you're trying to pick prop firm based on your preference, you can pick this option, Smart Match. And then you can pick like, what is your budget? For example, you're looking for cheaper prop firm, for example, starter balance, like between $50 and $100 for eval, right? I want to click here. What is your trading experience? Like less than 1 year. I want to click here. You scalper or day trader, going to click here. So what you're looking for, a high profit split, fast payout, easy to pass, low, and I mean, like depends. For example, fast payout. So what you want to have there, must have TradingView, daily payouts, for example, like no special requirements, like whatever, right? Must allow news trading, like static drawdown only. It's up to you. I would like to see daily payouts. I am in US, you can pick your country, and it recommends me Tradify. For example, based on what I entered. It's my recommendations here. So this means I'm going to have end of the day drawdown. With select plan, I'm going to have daily payouts, and it's going to be pretty cheap evaluation and no activation fee. Like for example, right? Like you can compare your prop firms. For example, here you can compare firm by to firm, account to account, evaluation and fund accounts. You can basically compare these prop firms, right? But if you would like to pick your prop firm, you can use. Oops, sorry guys. Definitely not this one. Why did it copy? Copy link, yeah. Over here, like if you want to compare. Good morning, you're in gold, Dasha. Not yet. No. Wait a minute. For example, select plan has a consistency rule on evaluation only. So once you pass, you are not going to have consistency rule. So it's way to go. Select plan. They're running 35% off right now. Select plan, and they are not going. You are not going to have activation fee. You are not going to have consistency rule on funded. So it's option. It's really nice one. Like guys, really, I'm not going to lie. So I'm still passing these evals, but once I pass, I'm going to blow my Lightning Fund account. I mean, I will try to bring to payout, but I will blow this. I will try to blow accounts because I don't need them at this point. Select plan is better for me. 2-minute on gold, I never ever tried. Did you try this? So what do you use? Like water block, inversion for value gap? Because I would like to see we taking out Friday high. But I don't see entry yet. Order block. What did you use today for long? You know, like kind of hard to understand order block here. We got like just straight move down, all down close candles here, like talking about order block. A bit hard. We got potential RD sweep. Same for like, you know, RD sweep. Order block was presented here, so basically we didn't move yet. I hate when we have like straight move down and it's basically it's going to be entire order block, right? Maybe wait, I need to wait for the retracement because I don't mind to see higher, but I don't see entry yet. Indices, yeah, bullish, but if it's going to this New York midnight open, it will be better long from there. Oh, like seriously? Oh my god, I wish I saw this in real time. Look at 5-minute chart. I could enter here without any problem. Oh, I wish I saw this. Let me see. Yeah, it could be 2R definitely. Painful. Yeah. And this kind of trade is basically just almost never in drawdown. I wish I saw this. Could be done for the day. Because gold look completely different. You still holding this? Good job. Why did not check micro gold today? You cannot type today. I wasn't able to speak yesterday. I was trying to say bullish. I was saying bearish. That's normal. So we're trying to inspect hourly inversion fair value gap. New York midnight open below New York, below hourly inversion fair value gap. Well, I'm sitting on short and personal account somewhere from here, so I feel like it's going to hit break even because my TP was previous week low level. I'm still sitting, I just don't remember. I need to check on TradeAway again where I entered, but it was something like this. No, it did not hit my break even. This means I entered higher. I will check later. But it was close. So it was my trade. I'm still in this trade, and it's really painful. I mean, I do like how it was like an was in drawdown, but I wish I was able to manage this. I didn't even see. I went to bed around like 9 as it's drop here. And just V-shaped reversal right after this. Why I would enter it on micro gold? Well, we're expecting 4-hour fair value gap, right? So price keep closing inside 4-hour fair value gap. Definitely bullish sign for us. See? Still closing within this fair value gap. Another sign, as you can see, we got potential 4-hour sweep. This 4-hour sweep must be confirmed by a 15-minute order block, but before this, what can happen? Since we expect in 4-hour fair value gap, we can start looking for the action on hourly or 30-minute chart. It can be sweep. So we didn't get sweep on 30-minute chart, but we did get this on 5 over here. For example, first attempt could be here, but it's wrong time because it's outside our kill zone, our personal kill zone. This one was right, but as you can see, we don't have like order block here. Like it was offered only over here. But on micro gold, in order to confirm potential hourly sweep, we need to have 5-minute OB, and it was offered. See? And trades open of next candle, so basically here, stop loss swing low, we're going to aim for 2R. But I was checking gold, I was like, okay, like we're expecting this level, but no order block. I'm not going to take it. I wish I was checking like at least micro gold, but I didn't. I'm not going to, I didn't even think about this. I don't know why. You know what is the problem? Because ideally we want to trade within like a certain time window. For example, normally we're looking for setup between 7 and 9 a.m. But best setups, like really best setups, happens between 8 and 8:30 a.m. This 30-minute time window. Sometimes early, sometimes later after 8:30, but most of the time between 8 and 8:30. So I usually look for setup between 8 and 8:30. And yes, on micro gold we got set up at 8:25. I was talking about this last week. If you check, like setup lately offers between 8:20 and 8:25. Like most of the time entry at 8:21 a.m. I don't know why. But yeah, today's setup was offered. Let's see what time it was, by the way. 8:20, see? 8:20. I was trying to scalp ES, like quick scalp, and that's pretty much it. I'm still in short on my personal from here. My TP was previous week low level. Right now just break even because I wasn't able to manage this trade. I just went to bed and I woke up, I saw like, well, it was 15 minutes points away and like reversal. Yeah, perfect. And probably it will hit break even, so this means no trades. I mean, like right now there is a trade, but probably it's break even. Unfortunately. Anyway, let's see. We can still trade today, like whatever. Since no trades, like we need to play some trades. Guys, did you take any trades? Like on ES and Q? Share with me what did you trade? Good morning, good morning. I would like to see gold going to Friday high. 42.90. That's ideal target for me. This means I still have time to enter the trade. Let's see if it's going to present opportunity, which I don't mind to get. Good morning, guys. You want to see Asia high. Ideally even higher, you know. I would say 2 key levels. No, not 2, 3 key levels. Asia high, 50% of 4 week at 42.81, and Friday high. That's ideal targets for me, but I will watch if... Sorry, guys. I will watch if it's going to present long for me. Because on gold, it failed to offer setup. I mean, you can ask because Tanya is going to join us on my stream next Wednesday. You can ask her. You still holding? Yeah, exactly. We have a 50-minute fractal, exactly right. We got 15-minute OB just like at 9 a.m. Let's see where's 2R. If you're going to like retracement here, stop. I guess 2R even higher, right? Over here. Look at this, right? Yeah. Let's see if it's going to retrace so we can engage. It's 50-minute chart, guys. But still, 17 points, it wasn't like a really big deal. Okay, guys, I will look for retracement to probably long this. I will use 15-minute entry. I think so. $17 points, that's actually great. I normally, like, ideal target for me, 10 points on gold. Everything above this, it's like extra bonus for me. I like it. $42.66. So we will see. So right now, still flat, guys. Just connected accounts. Didn't take anything just yet. Still flat on the day. I guess I need to move this a little bit higher. Let me... Oh, yeah. It's still flat, guys. Didn't take anything yet. Oops. Plan to trade evals, funded accounts, like everything today. Want to trade Apex as well with all these other accounts. We'll use 15-minute chart for executions. So hope it's going to retrace so I can engage. You said NQ run all through London, so I'm thinking I am gonna maybe, you know, I don't want to get in shorts to New York Midnight Open. Only yes. Journal template. I mean, I use TradeZella. I just use notes there. Yes, exactly. You know, I would say 2R is going to be different. Definitely is going to be different, but sometimes it's going to be 5 points, sometimes it's going to 17 points. What you can do at this point, if it's going to be like, let's say 6 points, and this means you're like risking 3 points, you can just increase contract size, risking exactly the same amount of money, right? For example, if you're risking, I don't know, like $300 per trade normally, you can trade one mini contract, right? With 3 points stop loss and 6 points profit. If it's like 17 points profit and let's say 8 points stop loss, definitely you need to trade some like smaller size, 3 micros, 4 micros, for example. Right? Gold view. Here's 15-minute potential setup, but I am not in this trade, so I will wait for retracement to try to long. Maybe to Asia high, maybe to 50% of our week, like somewhere here. That will be plan. Like minor retracement down. Maybe. And long? Maybe. So I will keep you updated. I mean, if I'm going to enter, I will show you. What is my trading setup? I have YouTube video about the setup that I trade like every single day. And this video is amazing. Why? Because this has backtest in this video. Well, here's the link for the video. I know it's 50 minutes long, but it's 10 minutes of explanation and 40 minutes of backtesting. Marking low high 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. Like I would pick probably 2 a.m. because between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Is basically London kill zone. So between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. you want to find high and low inside this range, and it's going to be London high or London low. Have you taken? No, unfortunately. I'm sitting in short on ES since yesterday, 6 p.m. or so. Don't remember what time I entered. My TP was previous week low level, but probably it will hit break even. So if it's going to hit break even, I'm going to like make maybe like $5 on this trade. For trading, I use only one monitor, like really one monitor. For executions, for like main chart, another monitor for high time frame charts, and 2 other monitors just for like my stuff. Like streaming software, OBS, Discord there, YouTube settings there, and another one for like everything else. Basically one monitor is enough for me. I never like use more than one monitor for my trading. Hello, hello. Your London time is different. What time frame you ICT uses, if you don't mind me to ask? I believe like London kill zone, Asia kill zone, 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Oops. Eastern time. No? Can be wrong with New York kill zone, to be honest, because I saw like lots of different information, but between 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Because for Forex, it's a bit different. Can you say it all? Of course, what are you even asking? At all. My friend, that's for you. Not going to lie, I don't really use New York kill zone and London kill zone, London close kill zone. Definitely we can have like different time, right? See this drop? I hope I'm going to engage in shorts on ES. Like, real question, guys. How big chance to get this? Like, real question. How big chance to get this one? I don't know. Real big chance market just opened. It can be just Judas swing. Gold keep grading higher. It's not great. Gold. Stop. Not that fast. Feels like not in sync yet. Yeah, you can use silver for SMT. Of course you need higher. The problem is I'm not in this trade. I will try to long if it's going to retrace back to this flat candle. And I will try this long. But 15-minute chart definitely has set up. Let's see where SPX opened. Oh well. Oh well. There's the open here. Isn't really hard to say. Not the trade. Okay, guys. I'm not going to feel FOMO. This means probably just no trades from me on ES. But that's fine. I will trade ES. On gold, I want to engage in longs, I mean. Done for the day? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, I'm still sitting in my short on my personal, which is nice, but probably will hit break even. Dear luck. What did you trade? And Q approaching New York midnight open. Yes, also needs to take this level. So. I mean, gold long was perfect. Why are you saying it's luck? It's not luck, like really good trades. Any interest in silver? Okay, silver is like, I have psychological barriers there after like taking 2 big classes in September. I was trading on Project X. Project X does not support micro silver. I was trading 1 mini contract, and a contract I took 2 losses in a row, and I hit daily loss limit, so I was down more than $3,700. Yeah, in September. 2 losses in a row. Because I saw setup, like really good setup. I know I cannot trade micros there. It's fine. So. Such a good move up. SPX, yeah, first level can be 25% of RTH gap, for example. No FOMO right now. Gold, nice move up, especially using 4-hour sweep and 50-minute OB. Definitely nice trade. 2 hours going to be like near 50% of our week, which is solid. Really amazing trade here. Both in Q, like, yes, really tricky right now. Like, I don't see a lot there yet. But in Q approaching New York midnight open, which is cool. I mean, so once again, long on gold was guaranteed target. It was really amazing. Long there. Not large, so I'm going to just wait. Where's your TP? You said Asia high? It's probably not going to retrace for me anymore. Volume profile does not show any levels on 3-minute chart. I guess I have the same problem with 50-minute chart. I don't know why. But it shows on 3-minute chart. On gold, win rate around like 80%. My personal win rate. Don't remember. I guess this month I didn't take a single loss on gold. Last month I took 2 losses on gold. Only other were winners. So pretty high win rate on gold. I cannot say the same for example, indices. It's just for gold. You know, on gold I use only one single strategy. I don't use it like any other ICT stuff like unicorn setups. What setup do you trade on gold, if you don't mind me to ask? So you have like bad win rate on gold. I believe because like gold pretty much straightforward. Like really, it follows ICT so well. Oh yeah, I traded gold. When we took, wait a minute, I don't remember. Last week we traded gold several times. This week we traded gold, right? Yeah, we took on Tuesday. Short. It was a short. We took a short on Tuesday. It was this trade. Not this one. This one. It was on stream. Yeah, Tuesday, see? At 9 a.m. Of course. Guys, here's a gold strategy. I mean, started a trade on gold. Only this strategy. I don't trade in any other strategies, ICT strategies on gold. But here's the link, guys. I know it's long video. It's 50 minutes video. But 10 minutes of explanation, 40 minutes of backtest. You can skip backtest if you want. You can watch this if you want. I'm not going to lie, NQ looks better today. Oh, you're very welcome, so. You're very welcome. Nice move down on NQ. That's exactly what I expected to get on ES. But ES said, No, not today. Not today. I mean, like, what are you talking about? Not today. Garbage price action. Retest of New York midnight open, then longs. Maybe. I'm serious right now. I'm looking for shorts in New York midnight open. At least monthly open at 68.54. And then longs from there. Yeah, it's like people like uses it like a CRT, it can be fractal, it can be just turtle soup, like so many different names. I'm bullish to all-time high, like on indices, but I would like to see just the tracement down first. $369. Exactly. If you know, you know, right? SPX trying to respect 25% of RTH gap. Pretty huge gap, so let's see if it's going to retrace lower to 62%. And long from there. Ideally even lower, because I would like to see New York midnight open, at least on NQ. Yes, very strong. Pretty bullish right now compared to NQ. Not in sync. No chance for gold to retrace, I guess. Like, forget about this, Dasha. It's not in sync, definitely, but once again, ES looks very bullish right now. NQ hit OT. We'll trade gold in Asia, yeah. Yeah, YM to the moon, like said, you can do whatever you want, yes, NQ. I'm just going to break the roof for no reason. But I'm serious, guys. New York midnight open retest, and I will look for longs. What's used for entry for short? I have no idea. Let's see what we have on 2. Really not tradable right now. In trading gold. This strategy, here's the link. Still inside OT on NQ, but not that far from New York midnight open. I hope it's going to hit this level. Quick reminder, guys, as long as indices, especially ES and NQ, trading above New York midnight open, that's a bullish sign. As long as we're trading below New York midnight open, it's better sign. Hello, good morning. Yeah, I was yesterday on Tanya's stream, so... Yes, I am approaching all-time high. Main question... Will it happen today? Did you already took this? Not yet. But yeah, definitely, like, it's obvious target. And that's normal for December to go to all-time high. But I don't mind to short to New York midnight open first. Pretty choppy right now. I don't want to chase yet. In Russian? No, unfortunately. Okay, guys, let's see. We got the closure below this candle. NQ approaching New York midnight open. I don't know yet, honestly. What do you think? How big chance to drop to New York midnight open today? Not on NQ, on NQ big chance, on a yes. I like how SPX expected 25%. No, New York midnight open. Just logically, right? My short so far it looks so far so good. Never hit break even. We hit New York midnight open. That's actually nice. Look right now what is going on. Here's like interesting point. We hit monthly open on both ES and NQ, but New York midnight open sitting above monthly open on NQ, but New York midnight open on ES below this level, right? So entry was at 68.80, I believe. My final TP on my personal account is previous week low level. I don't trade why I'm hard to say. For gold. Yeah, I'm actually engaged in gold as well. So NQ stuck at monthly open right now, but we're trading below monthly open on yes. So I really would like to see New York midnight open taken. Okay, let's try to be conservative. 1 point above this level. I'm holding short like for the long time. On my personal account. I entered yesterday at 6 p.m., 6:05 or so. Right now, even if I want to be bullish, I would like to see the test of New York midnight open first. Let's see what happened on SPX. Well, on SPX, we respected 25% of RTH gap. That's basically common when we have big RTH gap. Right now, we're inside OT, but we also hit buy sentiment on 1 hour chart. This means really, guys, serious right now. If it wants to reverse, it will reverse either now or like it will take New York midnight open first. But logically makes sense to retest New York midnight open. As I said, like if you in this short, like put your TP slightly higher, like 1 point above this level. I'm in this short since 6 p.m. No, 6:05 p.m. Sorry, guys. Honestly, initially wants to short here. Where we wants to short? Where I said before? Where did we want to short? Wait a minute, I don't remember. Was it here? But it could hit like a stop loss, I believe. Sorry. Did you close your gold? Did you know for that 1 hour fair value gap I jumped? Okay. Yeah. Pretty solid, like pretty solid short here. Based on M2 model, by the way. Also, we have minor liquidity over here. Sorry, guys, a bit sick. So what happened on SPX? We just touched like order block on 3-minute chart. Is it important? We run this flat candle, not flat candle, equal bodies. Short gold. I mean, feels like we still have room to go higher, no? Yesterday I was in short in Dynasty. My TP number 1 hit, but TP number 2 never hit. It was like really 1 point away. So once it hits this black line, you can close your trade if you're in the short as well. Let me log into TradeAway right now. TradeAway. I hate TradeAway, but TradeAway, my short is there. 1 second. Guys, you want to I recommend to close here if you're in this trade. Oh, looks good. It's around like, where I said it's around like 24 points short. Isn't that amazing? I think so. It's like brilliant. Now target 68.40, like where we are right now. If you want to close, you can, because I could anticipate like this short to New York midnight open. But let's try to be conservative. I'm going to trail my stop loss at this point, because on my personal account, my TP at previous week low level. Like, who knows if it's going to hit this, of course, but still. We never hit New York midnight open yet. Oops. Target is here. Ideal target is here. Like, you know, I'm just trying to be conservative. This PX took minor liquidity level, as you can see. Let's see what... Oh, you were right about, by the way, volume profile indicator. It doesn't work on my side as well. I hope it's going to hit New York midnight open. Makes sense, right? Just try to open 2 or 5 minute chart and open 3 minute chart again. Long? You sure about long on NQ? I mean, extremely bearish. Guys, never short below New York midnight open. Like, please. Asia low? What's the price for Asia low? Can you give me the price, please? Why didn't I highlight this on my chart? Oh, over here. I mean, it will be nice. I would like to see New York midnight open on ES. Conservative TP. Talking about longs, 68.17. Oh, it will be brilliant for my shorts, you know? Well, it was easy short here overall. I'm in the short, like, I'm sitting in the short, yeah, like, for hours. I'm still holding. Fortunately, it never hit break even, but... I'm on TradeView. I just don't know how to hide my account number, so to show you, because I'm noob on TradeView. I can show like entire screen, but you will see account number, and I don't know how to hide this. Is there any option to hide like account information? Let me know. Make an area screenshot and drag it. Oh, okay. settings, configure chart elements. 1 second. Show fields. Where's my fields? Oh, it's a MNQ. My bad. ES chart. I'm still sitting, but here's TP number 1. TP number 1 here. So basically where I said TP, right? And final level is going to be at previous week low level. Obviously, we are not going to take this level, but we will see. I will Google this tonight. I chill stop loss in this trade rate to 68.72 over here. Yes, previous week low level. Really don't. It was my TP yesterday, you know. Let's see if it's going to hit this. You want to see QD test in New York midnight open? Okay. Right now it's annoying simply because ES failed to take New York midnight open by 1 point. Let's check SPX. Trying to respect sell side liquidity level. Nice reversal from 25% of RTH gap. I don't see longs yet, for example, if I want to engage in long, you know. Well, idea here was based on 2-minute chart. So what I saw, it's actually empty model, right? 2-minute OB, like entry ideally had to be here, but since I was extremely slow, I saw this order block only when we were here. Like stop loss could be less than 10 points, ideally, right? Let's check gold. Gold. Like real question, if we are going to break above this level, we can try to long, I guess. Let me see how big risk. $1.5R. Risk in 10 points to make 17 makes sense. Let's see if it's going to close above this level. Like, why not to try? It will be crazy if it's going to be V-shaped reversal, you know? You're right. SPX took sell side, which is nice. 68.38 was one of the possible support level. Oh, this is where we are right now. Wow. I took it at 40. 5-1. That's nice. NQ, right? I'm not trading in Q. I'm not fan of trading in Q. Good job. That's really nice trade. Oh, by the way, guys, hit the like. Let's do giveaway. Completely forgot about this. Click the like. 300 likes. We are going to do Lucid accounts for giveaway. Completely forgot. Let me check what I can offer you guys. I know I can offer Flex. I can offer Pro Plus account. Not Pro Plus, just take your Pro account. Lucid. Going to count how many accounts I have to share. Log in. Thanks. I have a lot of them. Let's do... Let's do 3 50k Pro test accounts and 1 Flex. 50k Flex test account. Funded next feature is going to be next week, guys. We'll do rapid challenge next week. Hit the like, let's do giveaway. Four accounts for today. That's a lot. You know what is interesting right now? NQ trying to break above New York midnight open again. Yes, it's above New York midnight open. We got complete recovery right now. Like straight move down, straight move up. I can say it's like sniper exit, guys. Because it's trade away once again. Look where it was CP. I mean, it's sniper exit. Wow. Funded next features is going to be next week. Oh, thank you so much for using the code. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So let's see what will happen next. My Ninja Trader is lagging right now so bad. Disconnected all accounts somehow. I mean, okay, but not okay. Okay, I would say there are two variations how I use order block. First variation is just sequence of candles. For example, sequence of up close candles or down close candles, like the most common one. And I guess I really like this, like perfect one. And another one and last one, the very first candles attach higher from level. For example, at this point we got sequence of down close candles and only sequence of down close candles. But since we touch this like liquidity level with only this candle, very first candle that touched this level was here. At this point I can use just one single candle as order block. Nothing wrong with this. No entry on gold yet. Someone entered short, entered long on NQ. Guys, we're the reversed 160 points. Wow. and completely covered it here, like 25 points, like 28 points. Oh my god. Honestly, it looks extremely bullish right now. I will not be surprised to see like all the way up. YM need to take a guess. All-time high. Today. Not today. Within the next 1 hour. Wow. So we took previous week high level, we still have previous month's high higher and buy side liquidity higher. SPX trying to respect sell side liquidity. We already drop below early buy area. What is this? What's this? So we can try to fill the gap at least touch OT between 50 and 70.5%. I mean, I don't want to look for entry right now, but the question is what I would like to use, because on 3-minute chart it's going to be huge stop loss. This one needs to be breakaway gap. If it really wants to be bullish, I would like to see the retracement down to this fair value gap. And reaction, if it's going to happen, it's going to be long from here with stop loss at the top of fair value gap, since we consider this as breakaway gap, and target weekly open at least. Maybe. Like it's plan number A, number 1, plan A. Plan B is we will see. Breakaway gap. So what is breakaway gap? Breakaway gap is very first fair value gap after we got smart money reversal. So we got reversal, very first fair value gap, normally breakaway gap. But what conditions for fair value gap to be actually breakaway gap? So normally, in order to confirm high probability breakaway gap, this fair value gap must form with 2 displacement candles. Big candle 1, big candle 2. See this? At this point, we have high chance to have this as breakaway gap. Breakaway gap normally never fills. It stays open. Since we got 1 displacement candle, like second and third candle for the fair value gap formation, like this fair value gap formation, must be displacement candles. And we got second candle displacement, third candle displacement, here's breakaway gap. So ideally, if it wants to be bullish, we can easily put stop loss above fair value gap. I often do this, by the way. On ES, this one, it was like minor liquidity level. Okay, share with us about breakaway gap. What did I say wrong about this? Where I was wrong? Like, I need to know. Maybe I will learn something new. Because that's interesting. ICT visits us often, and when I was discussing breakaway gap, he never said something about this. This means nothing wrong about this, right? I shorted ES. Actually from here. Yeah, you can expect massive giveaway. Guys, hit the like, let's do giveaway today as well. You have 2 minutes to answer. Why 2 minutes? I mean, yeah, he can share his opinion. It's fine. Yeah, I mean, that's obvious, but what conditions needs to be for breakaway gap? When it normally happens, it cannot be in the middle of nowhere. Where for breakaway gap usually forms? Because there is measuring gap as well. It's just a bit different. Let's talk about this, that's interesting. What conditions we need to have for breakaway gap? For example, how can I say if it's a breakaway gap or not? Don't get filled, yes, but measuring gap normally also stay open. Yeah, we are going to do giveaway. Guys, hit the like, we are going to do giveaway. He was explaining about breakaway gap and bridge builder video. I know, I mean, that's why I mentioned this. ICT, I know, like, when I'm talking about, like, certain concept, I even can say where I watch this. And these 2 videos. I'm looking for long right now. I'm ready to flip my bias on yes. So ideally, what I would like to see, the tracing back to this fair value gap. OT will try to long and I will put my stop loss above this fair value gap. We'll aim for weekly open, probably for previous month's high. We will see. On NQ, we'll go to previous week high and we will take daily fair value gap. How to enter giveaway, guys? I will let you know. Just hit the like. Oh, like 50 more likes, I will do giveaway, guys. Come on. If I do NQ, I may wait for propulsion block. Maybe it's smart. TP1. TP2. Gold going high. I'm going to check right now. Here's is going to be second stage of free accumulation if it's going to consolidate after taking weekly open. Midnight open, it was mentorship. Video 14, it's 2022 mentorship, episode 14, 15, or 16. Also, you can watch Bridge Builder video. He covers measuring gaps there and breakaway gap. You will see what I'm talking about. I'm not I'm not cheating on gold. Like on Tuesday, I traded gold. Today, it's like yes, I guess yes was better. I mean, long from here was textbook one. I just miss it. Miss this because I was waiting for 3-minute OB or 5-minute OB after sweep. On micro gold, it offers this setup. On gold, no. Yeah, that's fine. Like, once again, no hate, I'm just asking. Interesting. I'm always happy to learn something new. But yeah, it was textbook one. SPX touch OTU for RTH gap. Guys, let's do 15 more likes for giveaway. I will start thinking about keyword. 15 more likes, guys. I shorted, but I didn't long because ES didn't take this level. And I closed there. I mean, the rest up at break even, but I closed my TP number 1. But the rest, it's straight away, guys. I have account numbers there, so I don't know how to hide this, so I can show you. But here's my exit, and my another TP stop at break even, unfortunately. But I just closed here on this level. On ES. What I want to set giveaway, sorry guys. But I didn't long because ES didn't hit New York midnight open, which is painful, but it is what it is. Yeah, pretty much. Can I say like we got accumulation, manipulation, and distribution right now? Definitely. Looks like it's not going to retrace for... Okay. I'm disappointed right now because I could consider longs. Obviously, I didn't want to be first buyer because it didn't hit New York midnight open. But if it could retrace here, I would try to long. Stop loss above fair value gap. Oh, we hit likes. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Let's do giveaway. Let's do this one first. Guys, 4 accounts for today. That's keyword. Copy and paste this in the chat. No chance for retracement, right? Painful. By the way, guys, if you participated in Twitter giveaway for TradeZella, you need to check. Because I announced winners yesterday or 2 days ago. Don't remember when it was. 2 days ago. Well, probably it will not retrace. Never will. What I can use for a retracement? Like, right now maybe does not make any sense for such a big retracement. Trying to figure out what another entry I can use. Because why expect to get this retracement down? It could be perfect textbook first stage of market maker buy model. Here it can be perfect second stage. But we got straight move here. I believe first stage was like this retracement. Minor retracement. Maybe it's easier to see on 1 minute chart. Gonna wait for retracement right now, so. Yeah, copy paste this keyword if you would like to participate in giveaway. I'm going to do 4 accounts today, all accounts Lucid accounts. 3 accounts is going to be 50k pro tests account, just regular test account. And one of them is going to be like fourth one. It's going to be 50k flex account. SPX touch OT of RTH gap. Hope it's going to retrace right now for us, guys. It will be brilliant if it's going to retrace. Need to see minor retracement down. Long at like, okay, in my perfect world, I would like to enter long around like 68, 64, 68, 60. Like in my perfect world. We will see. Ross, what about you? Where would you engage in trade? $564. Yeah, it's a bit. It's somewhere like at 69.70 1 years. Choose a winner. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's announce first winner. Announcing first winner. Stop typing this keyword in the chat. Stop typing. I'm going to announce a first winner, and I will do 3 more. Here's our first winner. Are you in the chat? You in the chat? PSMS Investments. Perfect. Can you please add email to the description of your YouTube for me? So I need your email so I can send your account. Just go to settings of your YouTube, find description and add email there. Guys, we are not done yet. I'm going to do more, so don't worry about this. With our emotions. By the way, where is Frank? I didn't see him for 2 days. It's going to be a big surprise for him because he won giveaway on Twitter. He was saying like, it's scam, it's scam, it's scam. He finally won this. Okay, guys, here's our next keyword. Next keyword. Just copy and paste this. If you would have used Ryan model for inversion for a value gap, you would possibly found And yeah, let's see, by the way. I think so. Wait a minute. I mean, maybe on 30-second chart. I'm just trying to, like, it's really hard because we got 30-second inversion for a while ago, but 1, 2, 3 minute chart were tricky. But yeah, like Ryan model definitely works. So I'm waiting for the retracement at least here. One minute head inversion. Oh, this one, right? Probably he entered here. I mean, like, probably. I mean, he trades in Q, right? On NQ, yeah, on NQ we got set up. I was checking on yeah, sorry, my bad. Too low for the retracement? Painful then. Gold needs to take Asia high, but I would like to see 50% of 4 week as well. Like 2 levels. I didn't enter on gold. Nothing to show. At least got 40 points on ES. Okay guys, let's do 1 more minute for this giveaway. And I will do 2 more right after this. I don't use first present fair value gap, but probably we got set up based on this fair value gap. I think so. I like this action right now on SPX because we hit OT of RTH gap. I would like to see the tracing back down where I said before. Like, it's really lines up with buy sentiment here, like this area over here. What and how do you trade every day, most of the day, using ICT tools? What do you mean by this? Okay guys, let me remove this for now because I'm not sure about exact entry. Let's see. Just going to observe how it's going to respect my area. So liquidity level here. Let me remove this one. And this one. I'm going to highlight OT right now. Where's my 50%? 1 second. It's right, 50% right below liquidity level here. Okay, guys, let's announce winner, another winner here. Stop typing, please. Here's our winner. Make sure your country is not in the stated list. You won account. It's still 50K pro test account from Lucid. You're not going to have activation fee. It's basically free account for you. Are you in the chat? Atar 3802. Just say, it's me, hello. You're here, perfect, I see you. Can you please add email for me? Yeah, I don't see email. I see email from first winner. Add email to description of your YouTube. How do you scalp most of the day? Like, Frank, check Twitter. Send me message. You won account on Twitter. Did you see this? Frank, why are you ignoring me for 2 days? You're welcome, you're welcome. So we got 2 winners, I'm going to pick 2 more. You sure about, like, 101%? 1 second, I'm going to check this out again. Here's winners from giveaway on Twitter. I mean, is it your, like, tell me, it's your picture or not? It's you, right? I know it's you. It's not scary. Okay, guys, let's continue doing giveaway. It's funny. I was like, why are you ignoring me? I'm going to do giveaway another platform next week. Okay, another keyword. Dan, I saw your email. Thank you so much. I'm going to send your account right after stream. Yeah, Frank, send me a message, please. Stop ignoring me. So I'm waiting for the tracement, and if it's going to trace to this area, I may try to long this. Look at gold. MXM only, your TP hit. My goal for the day, I mean, like, my base hit is $500, $600 a day. Good job, good job. Yeah. That's two levels that I was watching. But for example, Friday low, Friday high also good target, but it's like guaranteed levels here. It's Lucid for giveaway to the Lucid accounts, guys. Also good target, so. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes for this account. Yes, still strong compared to NQ. Yes, 100k subscribers giveaway is going to be next week. I want to do something like huge. Also, I broke my nail today, this morning. I was like, no. How many trades? I have daily loss limit, so normally I'm not going to lie. If I'm done $400, I already done for the day. Like $400, it's really like bottom. I don't go lower than this. Just closing charts. I mean, I trade the vals at this point. Okay, guys, let's pick third winner. Well, third winner is, stop typing this keyword right now. Third winner is, it's T money to you. That's you. You won account. Are you in the chat? I see you. Can you please add email for me? Oh, you have email. And the last one, guys, I'm going to give you a keyword, and I need to go for 1 minute, 1 second. I will send you a keyword first. So, guys, here's keyword. I'm going to come back in 1 minute. Did I miss anything? Not yet, right? 1 minute over. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys. It's last account for today. Okay. Come on, MMXM only. Okay, guys. Let's announce winner. Here's the winner. Are you in the chat? You here? I see. Can you please add email for me? Do you have email? You don't have email. Please add email for me, okay? Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm going to focus a little bit right now on price action. As you can see, NQ like really broke below New York Midnight Open again, which is pretty much bearish sign for NQ to go lower again. Right now, we're at OTE of this move up on ES, but we're still above New York Midnight Open. The only issue with this, ES will take New York Midnight Open before. SPX trying to respect OT of RTH gap, which is nice. So let's see, looks on NQ looks good to go lower, honestly. Let's see how we're going to respect this area. You added email, perfect. Gold took Friday high. So let's see how we're going to respect this area on ES right now. This last area for longs, as I said before. If it's really ready to be bullish, we must leave this 2-minute fair value gap, I believe. Yeah, it's breakaway gap. Otherwise, it will continue going higher. It's funny because like if I want to compare ES and NQ bearish, ES bullish. Same happened yesterday. Seasonal tendencies. It's a bit hard simply because I would say this year it doesn't really follow this. Long on ES, like if it's going to be a second stage of market maker buy model, inversion will be enough. Inversion fair value gap. Would like to see the test of this order block. For now. On NQ. I don't trade NQ, I will look for ES trade. I'm going to highlight this fair value gap right now. I'm going to stream PM session today as well at TradingView TV. 2 minutes, like 3 minutes, the same fair value gap, so not a big deal. On NQ, watching the test of 2-minute order block. I start liking this setup, so main question if it's going to retrace. Not retrace, invert fair value gap. We got the test of this order block on 2-minute chart. We invert the 2-minute fair value gap. 10 seconds left on this 3-minute chart. Yes, SPX also dissipating buy sentiment here. Let's see. 1.7 or so. Not quite sure yet because NQ a bit bearish, but I do like this longs on ES. A second stage of market maker buy model. We're gonna see, so look at NQ trying to use respect 2-minute order. It's basically a propulsion block, but still same idea. And broke above New York midnight open again. It's becoming bullish, so great confirmation for longs on ES. I do like how SPX expected sell, not sell buy sentiment here, so basically support area. Not active yet, I will show you. It will be on Intraday this time. Nice double sweep, potential double sweep. What else? Let's check high time frame levels. Because for me it looks good. on yes for longs. Going to cut 50%? Yeah. Long on NQ is going to be break above 50%. Closure of 2-minute chart above 50%. Oops, not this one. No closure yet. Still flat, but looking for this long. Oh, by the way, I forgot to check YM. YM took all-time high. Wow. Wow. Isn't that perfect? Prince R-O, if I pronounce this right. That's perfect. Look at gold. Gold, nice move to Friday high. It was TP for the day, like daily objective. I don't know where it's going to go next. Yeah, it's done for the day, I guess, right? Okay, I will wait for the 2-minute closure here. So I'm fine to sit here a little bit more to engage. Yeah, closure. It's so choppy right now, so... I know, once I finish the Steam, it will offer a textbook setup. Always happens. Once a long is so bad. So... Yeah, like plan is to long ES if it's going to stay within the stimulant inversion fair value gap and above 50%. Another confirmation for this can be break above 50% of stimulant OB, basically this one. I will not enter here probably anymore, like somewhere here. It's not going to be big size, like maybe 5 for micros. SPX really looks good to continue going higher. We got the closure above this level. I do like longs even more right now. I'm going to show you once I'm in trade. It's going to be a Ninja Trader, so yeah. Not in trade yet. I want to see displacement, so I would like to just place market order at this point. VM keep going higher. We already broke above all-time high. SPX looks good to go higher. I'm not going to lie, to fill the gap, at least. At least to get like 14 points for this short will be nice. Short, long. Come on, short. Still flat, guys. I would like to get displacement to place market order. Like big up close candle, I will try to long. As long as we're expecting inversion for a value gap. That's the plan. I'm still flat. But anyway, if it's going to displace, I will try to long, even if it's going to be like off stream. Like, you got my point. On gold, not sure if it's going to something significant is going to happen today anymore. Like, really not sure. SPX, displacing like discount for a value gap and buy sentiment here. We still have like the rest of the gap, right? To feel. So yeah, it's nice. So if it's going to displace, I will try to long. About accounts that you want, guys, I'm going to send you account in 5 minutes, okay? Kind of not sure about shorts, if I'm going to engage in any shorts. Kind of don't like it. If it's not going to displace, I will wait for PM session. I'm going to stream PM session anyway. So yeah, on TradingView TV. So also, guys, quick reminder about giveaway next week. Next week, I'm going to celebrate 100k subscribers on my YouTube. It's going to be like something huge. So I would like to do like lots of accounts for giveaway, like really lots of accounts, different tools for giveaway, maybe copiers for giveaway. You look stressed? I look sick, not stressed. What else? Nothing else. I will try to long if it's going to displace. I think like around, maybe it's happening around like 11:15, 11:25. I don't know, but you got my plan. I will look for this plan, guys, to execute. See you guys in 2 hours, less than 2 hours on TradingView TV. If I'm going to take the trade, I will explain the reason, but you got the reason. Not going to short. That's it. I started this year from how many subscribers? Like 10,000 or 5,000? I don't remember. Imagine you want as a copy trader, but you don't have accounts. Vitamin C, yeah. It's my favorite fruit, by the way, yeah. Yeah, guys, see you soon. See you in less than 2 hours on TradingView TV. Bye, guys.